So hi, this is from JLC PCB. This is a very cheap PCB manufacturer. Let's see what I got. It's a PCB that I designed maybe for less than 5 minutes with the free software. So let's see if I got what I expect. So here it is. This is a vacuum. No, this is not a vacuum, but nice work, I have to admit. Aha! So I don't know if you remember, but this is a PCB for the soap dispenser. What was the brand? Baseus, something like this. And I had problem even after I found where it is disconnected and fix it. After a month or 2 months it stopped working again. So what I actually did, this is a 4-layer PCB. I did the same PCB, I think. Let's check. It looks a little bigger than the size of the original one. But what I did, I connected also in the inner traces of the PCB. So I expected this to solve the problem that the PCB was disconnected because of the soap. So now, because I have an inner layers, so in the second and the third layer it is connected also. So I expect it, even if a soap is going to the top layer, it will not affect the inner layer, so it will still be okay, hopefully. I'm not sure, but let's take the dispenser and try to install it. Aha! So I remind you, just apply first and this all goes out. And although I will show you in a minute all the correct connections. I don't know if you can see, it's all sealed here. I put a lot of silicone or something, but actually it did not help. It helped for about a month or two, and then after 2 months of work, same problem. So I thought maybe I will do a reverse engineering. So let's see how it looks. As you can see, it's very dirty because of the soap. So it worked, but for a very short time. And now is the real test. So I will try to take everything off, all the silicone and everything. Okay, and about the size, no, it's much bigger. Wow, I thought I'm the same size. I don't know if I did a mistake or they did, not sure, but I'm not sure that it is very important. As far as I can put it in, and the LED space looks okay to me. Yes, this is what important. The space between the rubber and the LED, and the space is okay. The other part are less important, of course. So now let's try to connect the new one and see if it will work. Wow. So by the way, here are the parts that I bought. I found someone that sold it. So here of course is the LED, and this is the receiver, and I have a lot of them because I didn't find how to to buy just few, so I bought the whole reel. So now I see, by the way, there is a marking, there is a line on the component itself. So the line, of course, is the positive or the negative. So I will try with the fluke to understand if this is the negative or the positive. I can check it on the LED. This is the anode or the cathode. Now it is giving the reading. So the line is the positive, it's not the negative. So the line is the positive, okay. So let's treat it as a positive. Okay, so let's try to see if this will solve the problem. So the positive should be this way, and this is the LED. Basically, just like this, put it and do not hit it too much. It looks okay to me now. I will just maybe push it a little toward the board. So this is the LED connected now. Now the receiver. I guess the marking is the same, so positive like this. And the negative is here. Okay, and now I will remove the connector, and since I connected it exactly the same way and the PCB is the same, so if I'm not mistaken, it should be connected here just like this. So I will cut the wires. Okay, and not change it in order not to mistake about the direction. Now just go one by one. Okay. Okay, so I put new batteries. Now let's see if this is working. It looks like it is working. I will close everything and test when it is closed to see that everything is okay. So before connecting everything back, so I put first the rubber so I can see both sleds okay, and now I will insert it inside, because otherwise you can't make it to the exact direction where it should be. And now I will put a little hot glue, and then if it will be okay I will put the silicone again. So this is the old PCB and this is the new PCB inside. You can see by the color, the blue one. And now hopefully, yes, I think it's cold. We'll connect everything and cross fingers so it will work, hopefully. After the reverse engineering of this PCB and a lot of work done to make it properly working. This is a little tricky to connect everything back. It looks okay to me now. Now it is powering up. Okay. Okay, so this fix is working. I don't know for how long, but as you can see, new PCB with inner layer also connected, and it is working. So thank you and bye.